Hey, Cali Legal here, showing you what I just recently purchased for my son. Is this Mossberg 22 rifle. Pretty cool. I think this is a laminate. I don't think it's wood. I don't know. Check it out. Bolt action, single shot rifle, youth size, kid size, I guess you can call. This Tasco scope I put on, bought at Walmart, very inexpensive for what he's shooting. This should probably be good enough. We'll see how it holds out. Pretty decent gun, or rifle I should say. Actually, as you can see here, it has a, I guess, dummy magazine you can call, so you can have the one shot. Later on we can actually add maybe a 10 round magazine, I'm sorry, once he's become proficient at shooting the rifle, and I think he's safe enough to shoot, have something there. So you can shoot more than one. You can see it's the 801 Plinkster. I don't know if you can read this, you know, real nice. A little hard plastic, not rubber, really. I'm gonna probably try it out this weekend at the shooting range, let you know how it goes. But yeah, it's one of my latest purchases. Do a review on how it shoots, how good this very inexpensive scope is.